What does Elon Musk like more, Dogecoin or Pepe? Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. Today, we're going to be talking about Dogecoin and where I think we will be headed here in 2025 because today's the first day of the new year. Where are we going here? So hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's hop in this video, guys. All right, so we are looking at crypto Twitter. You can follow me at 333Blacksea. I say, what does Elon like more, Doge or Pepe? Will they both succeed? In my opinion, I do think they'll both succeed. I think they're going to do very, very well as long as we see altcoin season really get ignited here in 2025. And we are seeing some big signals that are showing that, yes, that's what we will see. And if you believe that as well, then you think that now is a buy the dip opportunity. As long as Bitcoin holds above $88,000, $85,000, I think that there's probably going to be a good opportunity here to be buying that dip. Then check out in the description box below or the pinned comment down below. Sign up to Blowfin. You get a $5,000 sign-in bonus as well as 10% off all trading fees for the lifetime of your account. No other exchanges offering this, guys. Take advantage of that. So, all right, let's look at Dogecoin right now. Rank number 7, down about 5.5% in the past 7 days. Getting a little bit of relief here, up about 1.86%. But I'll be honest, it's the holiday hours still. The volume is very, very low. I think the volume will probably be coming back probably the second week of January. After we finish all the holidays, everyone gets to travel back home, and they get to sit down back at their desks. Then you're going to see that big money coming back here, and you're going to start to see those order books fill up. So these bounces and these moves right now are very, very hard to track. Anytime we get a little bit of a relief bounce, we're getting smacked down. Anytime we start to break any sort of resistance level on lower term time frames, it's a fake out, and we blast back to the upside. It's very tough to trade right now, guys, so be careful out there. So Dogecoin sitting at $46.93 billion, and it has a $2.2 billion 24-hour volume, guys. You know, the reason why I bring up the whole Dogecoin, Pepe, and Elon Musk is because Elon Musk changed his profile picture on X as a Pepe frog, okay? So a lot of people are pretty excited about that, especially if you're a Pepe holder and you've been watching this channel. You know I've been talking about Pepe for a while. But, guys, Dogecoin is going to be fine, okay? Dogecoin is still ranked number 7 and has nearly a $50 billion market cap. The all-time high this cycle was about $66 billion. And when you look at this chart right now on Dogecoin, we're going to walk through this, okay? So we're looking at the weekly time frame. Let's go to the 4-hourly and work our way up, all right? So on the 4-hourly, you're seeing money flow is starting to finally curve back up a little bit, kind of at some indecision, a little green dot in the lower term time frame of 4 hours. You look at the daily time frame, a big volume green dot indicating that it's a bottom potentially is in. So we're looking at momentum to the upside. And when you look at the weekly as well, you can see that money flow is still significantly there. Weekly momentum has a sell signal, so it looks like it wants to come down. There's a lot of mixed signals right now, guys. But really, what needs to happen is the volume needs to come back into the cryptocurrency space. Everyone needs to be done having fun with their family. Is obviously enjoy time with your family, but all the big money is going to be coming back here shortly. And I do expect altcoin season to really take us for a ride here and have Bitcoin take us for a ride here in the month of January. I do want to take a look at the yearly candle closure for Bitcoin and give you guys my opinion, I think, where we're headed here. So right now we're looking at Bitcoin dominance. You see that the money flow is red on the 4-hourly, and it's starting to curve back up, but it's still in the red. But when you look at the daily time frame, it paints a different picture. We should be breaking down here. We should be expecting a breakdown to below 54.5% and make a new lower low on Bitcoin dominance, thus increasing altcoins, guys, sending Dogecoin higher, sending Pepe higher, sending all the altcoins higher. And I do expect that to play out very, very shortly, guys. And, you know, a lot of people get so spooked out by a little bit of selling pressure after literally what? Let's measure it for fun. How many weeks have we been moving to the upside here, guys? We've been moving to the upside we're looking at the monthly time frame. We're going to do a quick little measure just for fun. We've been moving to the upside for nearly 23 weeks, okay? From the bottom, about 23 weeks. That's a big rally. It's okay to cool off a little bit. It's okay to trade sideways for a little bit. You know, we trade sideways for nearly 6 months. I won't be surprised to see somewhat of a consolidation period happen here relatively soon. Now, the real question is, though, is where do we go? Excuse me, that was how many months? That was on the monthly time frame. That was 28 months, okay? Two years of upward price action. I thought I said that was too low. But yeah, for 2 years, we've been making this rally to the upside. It's okay to trade sideways a little bit. So, like, we had that 6-month sideways price action, right? It's okay to see that play out. The only thing I really want to be keeping my eyes open for is candle closures above 88,000 to 85,000. If we close below that, I think it's just going to be moving this altcoin season further down the road into later end of Q1 2025. And if we break down below 85K and trade below that for a little while, then I think you're moving this down to Q4 2025 for altcoin season. But I did this in my last video because it's so important to be looking at this. The yearly candles, guys, like, people get so scared about a little bit of a sell-off. We're trading above $90,000. When you look at this, usually we have 3 years of bull price action followed by a year of selling off. Guys, we've just closed out our second year. This should be the third year and probably the biggest move to the upside for this cycle. We should probably expect huge moves to the upside for Bitcoin and especially altcoins, guys. So please be paying attention to this. And it really is a matter of not if, but when. Is it Q1 of 2025 or is it Q4 of 2025? Is it the first half of 2025 or the second half? That's really what it comes down to. And I think that right now Bitcoin is getting ready to make that decision. Is if we get those candle closures below, say, 85,000, maybe even dip below that, then you'll know, okay, we're kicking this can further down the road. But regardless, guys, I just want to be talking about Doge here. Like, things are looking good, all right? Don't get so scared. A lot of retail, they FOMO'd in, and they got in when Bitcoin was over 100K. They got into altcoins. We saw like a little boost of alts. Some altcoins made some 100% gains, maybe a 2x here and there, but that's not real altcoin season, guys. That is not real altcoin season. When you zoom out on BTC.D, Bitcoin dominance, real altcoin season is when you drop down from 70% to 40%. And right now we dropped from 61%, and now we're basically at 58%. We dropped 2%. This is not altcoin season. We have not seen it happen yet. And when it does happen, you will know. You will see Dogecoin performing very well. You will see Dogecoin and Pepe performing very well. You will see all the altcoins across the board making big moves versus their Bitcoin pairings, okay? That's a really good way to figure out what the best horse is when it comes to altcoins, is looking at, say, like ETH BTC or Sol BTC or Crow BTC or Doge BTC. When you look at those evaluations, you get more of a clear picture of, is this a strong altcoin? Should I be moving my capital from Bitcoin into this altcoin over, say, the other altcoin? And that's what you should be looking at. But regardless, guys, I do expect Dogecoin to perform well here. I do expect it all to perform well here. It's just a matter of time. 2025 should be a fantastic year for crypto. Just a matter of when. Let me know in the comment section below. Do you think Dogecoin will make new all-time highs in Q1 2025, Q4 2025, or do you think that the cycle's over and we're all going to zero? I'm very curious on what you have to say about that. But that's all I got. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, follow me, 333BlackC on Instagram, Twitter, and check out that awesome Blowfin link down below if you want to save 10% off on all trading fees. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.